In this video, I will share how to go from $0 to $7,000 a month in the next 30 days with affiliate marketing for beginners completely free. This video is going to be step by step and it can be done from anywhere on the planet, any age, any gender, no limitation, and it can be done by anyone from any experience level. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can do it. If you are a pro or you have an existing business or you are an employee, you have a 9-to-5 job and you are trying to find a side hustle, it works for you too. Stay tuned till the end of the video. This just takes a couple of minutes of your time per day, focusing on one simple thing. Right now, you are looking at one of my Warrior Plus accounts, and this is a random affiliate marketing income screenshot. Look at this, $110,017.76. Why did it happen? Because we did only one thing, and that we want to share with you in this video, and we are doing it in a very specific way that we will also share with you step by step, so don't skip any part of this video. Our process is super interesting. We don't do anything extra. We browse around, surf the internet, watch videos on YouTube, have a lot of fun, even play games, listen to music, watch movies, watch other people's videos, and learn new stuff every day. Have a lot of fun, and you can see our money as well. So what do we do that's so different, that's making us money and you are still struggling? Well, to be honest, affiliate marketing is nothing new. It's ages old and it's been done by hundreds of thousands of people all over the world. But apart from doing all those fancy stuff and have a lot of fun, every affiliate has to focus on one thing, and that one thing is totally counterintuitive than what a normal people do. A normal person would want to make money for themselves because we all want money, but a successful affiliate marketer would want to help others with information they are looking for. So I'll give you an example, but before that, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and social media walls like Facebook and Twitter walls, so not only you, everyone else also learn how to make money online. This way, you will earn their respect, their love, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. So yes, you got it right. We share valuable information with others, help them with the information they're looking for. But we do it using videos. But hey, making videos, using cameras and microphones and recording yourself is not a scalable process. And it's not easy for our beginner team members, not even for our customers. And that is why we built our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic allows us to make videos using image and text. A free image, paid image, screenshots, notes, whatever you want. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover, so we don't have to record our voice. Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence. Making long videos is hard, so Epic allows us to make bite-sized videos and compile them into one long video, any length we want. So videos are made using artificial intelligence, using image and text, and without ever using cameras and microphones. And when we are ready with our bite-sized videos, just one click of a button turns all this work, screenshots, image, text, into an informative and a helpful video. We go out there, take that video, upload it to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and get followers, all sent by those platforms. Now you might be asking, how are videos making money? What is the relationship between this income screenshot and videos? This is what I'm about to share with you step by step, but I want to give you a good news. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Start making money in the way we are about to share with you. But hey, if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. So go ahead, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button. So how does videos make us money in affiliate marketing? Let me explain it with an example. There are two types of people on the internet, broke people who don't have money, and the people who know that they need to spend money with their credit cards to solve their problem. And these are the people who use softwares like Shopify. Shopify is a platform that you can use to build online stores, e-commerce stores, drop shipping stores. You can sell your physical or digital products using those stores. And literally everyone knows about e-commerce and drop shipping. Everyone knows that online stores attracts only buyers, not freebie seekers. So whoever is using Shopify, they have a lot of questions, because in order to run a Shopify store, they have to spend all this money on monthly or annual recurring basis. This is painful, especially for the beginners who are not yet making money. So we focus on helping these kind of people who have a lot of questions and are spending money to solve their problem. For that, step number 1, we go to keyword research tools like Ubersuggest and go under keyword ideas section and check the keywords, key phrases, questions people are looking for. We also use another freemium, which has a free version and a paid version application called answerthepublic.com. Just search with Shopify or search with e-commerce or search with dropshipping. You'll find all these questions that people are looking for. How, can, will, where, Shopify, who, etc. Now you have a clear idea what people want to know related to Shopify, which is a paid platform, related to e-commerce, related to dropshipping. Now where are these answers? All the answers are in Google and YouTube. Go to YouTube and search with Shopify or e-commerce or dropshipping. You will find all these amazing videos from experts. But I want to highlight on this tiny little 1-minute YouTube shorts or TikTok videos or Instagram reels or Facebook reels. These are 1-minute long videos, but they get hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. These platforms has literally all the traffic you ever need. They can supply you with hundreds and thousands of millions of visitors, targeted buyers to your videos. And that's why we make videos and we make helpful videos. But in order to make a lot of videos for our 20+ channels, we use Epic. Epic is free to start, link is in the description. Using Epic, any screenshot, any text, any information that we have learned from these videos or any article can turn into videos. So any beginner from anywhere on the planet can make videos for us, and we make videos at a cheap price, or we do it ourselves using Epic. Even my 6-year-old son can make videos using Epic. And yes, he made some of my videos on a couple of my channels. So literally this is for anyone. These buyers, the Shopify users who have a lot of questions. For example, dropshipping has 165,000 monthly search on Google. Shopify has 1 million search. E-commerce 60,500 search. Shopify partners 14,800. E-commerce for business 18,100. I can go on and on. On Ubersuggest alone, there are literally 1,320 suggested keywords and key phrases, 600,000 related keywords, 260 questions, 152 prepositions. So many keywords. All these keywords and key phrases can turn into videos. They are all being searched on YouTube. And here is an interesting part. You don't really need 9.7 million views. You don't need 296,000 views. You don't need 1 million views in one video. All you need, let me reveal from this screenshot now, 93,000 clicks or hops on our affiliate links to make $110,000. So here is the secret. All we do, make videos using Epic, simple videos that people are asking for, looking for answers. We simply tell the truth using 1-minute short videos or even this type of long videos, all done by Epic. We don't need to use cameras and microphones. And all these traffic are sent by YouTube, Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. They love our helpful information, free information of course. They love our gesture of helping them. We build trust and rapport using those simple informative videos. They click our links and we make money. It's super simple. So for every click on the average, we make $1.17. For some other products, we even make up to $5. So 1,000 clicks equals $5,000. 100,000 clicks equals $5,000. $500,000. The focus is on helping others using simple videos built with Epic. Link is in the description, is free to start. Go grab it and start today. Now, where is money? I can see that we are helping people, we are connecting with people. Where is the money? When people ask for Shopify related question, you can actually become an affiliate of Shopify. So when they buy or pay money to Shopify, you get your cut as an affiliate, which is good because Shopify will pay you monthly recurring fees. But here is the deal. A lot of store owners or people who want to start an online store don't have enough money to pay monthly or annual recurring fees because they haven't started making money. So for that and for those people, we built our own store building application, Grand. Grants has the same useful features that Shopify offers, but instead of paying recurring fees to Shopify and then pay extra for all these separate add-ons to Shopify and the Shopify add-on owners, everything is built in inside Grand. And you don't need your own domain or hosting server. You can simply click the buy button, get your access, and get all the features built in. Start your online store with all the important features. I will drop a link in the description. In case you need grants, you can go grab your own access. But in order to make money as an affiliate, you can promote grants as an affiliate. For that, go to warriorplus.com and create your free affiliate account. Then go to the affiliate section, click the offers, and in the title, offer title or keyword, search with GRANDZ, grants. You will be taken here and you will see grants here. Click the button, request button, and there will be a pop-up where you have to mention how you're planning to promote grants. You have to tell me or us that you're going to use helpful videos using Epic or maybe some other channels, maybe Facebook, maybe Instagram, maybe TikTok, or maybe you have your own website where you want to promote grants. Just give us your plan to promote and we will approve you. Get your link, affiliate link, and put it in the description of your videos on YouTube and also in the first comment, and pin that comment to keep it on top. Also on TikTok, this is my TikTok account, my personal TikTok account. Look at this, I have only 2 following. I am following only 2 person. One is Keanu Reeves, another one my personal trainer. And look at my followers and look at my likes, all natural. I simply upload videos. All are helpful videos and people are loving it. Now put your link in right here in the bio. So in your videos, mention that the link is in the bio. So if your viewers decide to get access or buy from you, they can click here and buy. And yes, they do, because they loved your content. They already believe in you. You build a rapport and trust with them. So they will click your links and buy from you and you will make affiliate commissions. We pay 50% commissions to our affiliates and our affiliates make a lot of money. I have shared stats of my affiliates in other videos on the channel. That is it. Super simple. The focus is helping people with the information they are looking for. And all these information are free. Put them together in the form of simple videos using Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it and start today. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. This way you can help us reach 100 million people in the next 10 years, which is the goal of this channel. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money online. Hundreds of thousands of other people are making money online and you can do it too. Start today. Epic and other softwares are free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab all of them. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.